are in September 2024 and Java ESD motorcycles has been on a complete roll throughout this year, and the latest installment of their new launches carries this, the Java 42 FJ350. Now this is a completely new motorcycle that the brand has just launched at a very affordable price tag of rupees 1.99 lakh 412, and in this video I will quickly give you a walk around of the motorcycle and show you what all has changed. So stay tuned. Now while the FJ certainly carries the Java 42 name, this is quite a different bike in the entire 42 lineup. There are much big upgrades in this entire package, and not only in the kind of stance and package that you see here. Everything starts from the front end here, which gets the new age, the new generation of the LED headlamp with the 42 and Java badging right here in the center. Now this looks pretty nice and gives the bike a very premium appeal, if I may say. Now of course the bike that we are standing with here gets the matte green, khaki green paint scheme going on, and the fuel tank also gets this aluminium black with the Java branding here. Now come to the front back again here. Now here you will see that the 42 FJ comes with beefier 41 mm front telescopic forks that have a travel of 135 mm. Of course you also get the 18-inch alloy wheels right up there, and they also get a machined kind of a finish as well. Now the other big special thing about the FJ is that this now gets the Alpha 2 generation of the 334cc engine that we have earlier seen launched with the new Adventure. And the output levels from this engine are around the 29 PS and 29 Newton meters of torque mark, and we'll get to that in just a minute. Now let's take a look at what all has changed in terms of packaging here as well. Now one thing that is standing out to me about the FJ is that the packaging by Java for this motorcycle has certainly gone up a notch or two because of the way these seams have been filled with hard plastic bits, panels that you see here, and those are also finished with these 4 aluminium parts that you see. That looks really nice and truly seems like attention has been paid for this motorcycle. Now coming to the main bit where the motorcycle has changed and bringing the difference to the 42 series, which is the seat and these upswept exhaust pipes right at the back here. Now coming to the part that makes it certain that this is actually a pretty new bike in the 42 series is the rear end. Now that is because of these upswept exhausts and also this new seat. Now the seat height is around 790 mm approximately, and moving on, let's have a seat on the new Java 42. Well, you see, the low seat height allows this to be accessible to a wide range of audience, and that is something that Java and the 42 series has been known overall. Now if you will come closer, I will show you the new offset digital rider information panel that you have here. Now this is also finished in circular, staying with the bike's neo-classic design language, and of course you get bar end mirrors here as well. And let me just test out the positioning of the handlebar. Well, first impressions only, it seems to be like the bike will be quite nimble and easy to maneuver in city and low speeds at my first impression right now. Now braking equipment is also really nice on the Java 42 FJ because it gets the bi-Brembo brake setup and the 320 mm disc here as well. At the rear, the same unit also gets the secondary, your auxiliary rear brake, that also is a disc unit, and I told you about the beefier 41 mm forks on the front. Now these ones are also preload adjustable and get 100 mm of travel. So overall, it seems like the city riding experience of the Java 42FJ will be something to look out for, and stay tuned for our review which will come soon. To wrap it all up, the 42FJ gets segment first 6-speed transmission and also slip and assist clutch. So that was all about the newly launched Java 42FJ350. Let us know what you thought about this new neoclassic motorcycle in the comment section below. Like always, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to the Briefly channel, and also leave your comments down below.